In today's video, I will show you how to create a post-processing filter that recreates the noise effect that old CRT TVs had back in the days. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well and having a great day. We will continue where we left off in the last part and extend our filter by adding a CRT noise step. So let's add a new filter pass and name it CRT noise. Then let's edit the shader code. We will need a timer, so we will be using the one that Cave already provides. Then we create two uniforms, noise speed and noise strength. Noise speed controls how fast the noise moves, and noise strength controls how strong the noise effect is. The getNoise function generates a noise value for a given texture UV coordinate. The animated UV calculation scales the UV coordinates, making the noise patterns smaller and more detailed. The time variable timer is used to animate the noise, creating a scrolling effect. The X direction moves at full speed. The Y direction moves at half speed, creating a more organic CRT noise look. The random function generates a noise value from these coordinates. The result is mapped from 0 to 1 to -1 to 1 by multiplying by 2.0 and subtracting 1.0, ensuring the noise can both brighten and darken pixels. This line samples the original image. Here, the getNoise function is called to get a noise value for this pixel. We clamp the value to ensure the color stays within valid limits, 0.0 to 1.0, preventing the image from getting too bright or too dark. And finally, we output the pixel color. Okay, let's recompile the shader. And that's all there is to it. Really simple. Now we have a nice looking CRT effect. In the shader inspector under the uniforms tab, you can adjust the noise speed and noise strength to your likings. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.